Vladimir Putin expressed his fury with European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen, accusing the EU chief through the Russian embassy in Brussels of making deplorable comments about Sputnik V. The Russian vaccine is dividing Europe, even before a single dose has been delivered. The European Medicines Agency, EMA, has not yet approved the Russian jab, and the European Commission says the bloc will not need it. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen and Russian President Vladimir Putin also engaged in a war of words over the vaccine earlier this year. In February, Ms. von der Leyen made some rare public comments about the Sputnik jab, suggesting even Russians don't want it. Lithuanian Prime Minister Ingrida Simonite even described Sputnik V in a tweet as a hybrid weapon to divide and rule. However, this has not stopped a number of member states from breaking away from the EU's common strategy and striking their own deals. Sputnik claimed its biggest prize to date last week, when Germany said it would begin talks to secure supplies of the vaccine. The German move follows in the footsteps of Hungary, Slovakia and San Marino, the tiny landlocked country within northern Italy, which have already ordered millions of doses. Other European governments, however, have steered clear. Russia's critics say Moscow is deliberately using the vaccine to sow division. Speaking at a news conference, Ms. von der Leyen denied reports that the Russian vaccine's manufacturer, the Russian Direct Investment Fund, RDIF, had applied for regulatory approval from the European Medicines Agency. Then she added, "Overall, I must say we still wonder why Russia is offering theoretically millions and millions of doses while not sufficiently progressing in vaccinating their own people." In a statement the following evening, the Russian permanent mission to the EU said it was perplexed to hear Ms. von der Leyen's assessment. It claimed her comments were either an effort to politicize the issue in an unsubstantiated and, indeed, deplorable way, or indicates an inadequate level of awareness of the top-level official. The statement added, "In full compliance with the principles of democracy and humanitarian law, inoculation in Russia is voluntary, and to date, all interested citizens are provided with the vaccine without delay and free of charge. An extensive network of vaccination centers has been set up and is constantly being improved, including employing modern digitalization tools." The embassy insisted that efforts to supply the Sputnik vaccine to other countries were in no way linked to the availability of vaccines for the Russian population. However, the statement did not provide any details on domestic or international production. Questions have been raised around the Sputnik vaccine since Russian regulators first licensed it for limited use in August, but without waiting for safety or efficacy data from a Phase 3 clinical trial. A peer-reviewed study published in the Lancet Medical Journal found the Sputnik jab to be safe and more than 91% effective. A Commission spokesperson said they had no comment on the Russian statement. The embassy also took a parting shot at Ms. von der Leyen, urging the EU to rise above politics and grant regulatory approval. It continued, "We presume that production and distribution of vaccines should be beyond politics. So we hope that the EU will evaluate the Russian vaccine on the basis of scientific and humanitarian, rather than political considerations."